In today's lesson, we're looking at expanding and evaluating brackets. So there's a couple of different ways we can do this. So the first way in this particular question here is we can work out inside the bracket and then expand. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So we're going to rewrite this as to 8 bracket 8. Okay, so from there we can evaluate that to be 8 times 8, which is 64. So that's the first way we can do it. The other way is using the distributive law, and we'll practice that by doing what we do is we take the term outside, which is 8, and multiply it by the first term inside. So in this example here, we've got 8 times 10, which is 80, minus, and then we're going to use the next one, our next term inside, so 8 times by negative 2, so that's 16, and then 80 minus 16, 64. So we end up with the same answer. In the first couple of examples we're going to use both methods, and then we're going to use, we'll check in with some algebra problems here. So again, let's use both methods here to solve the next question. We're going to go inside the brackets first, so we're going to simplify this to be 11, and 99 plus 1 is 100. 11 times 100 is 1,100. Okay, so that's the first way we can do that. Now the next method, using the distributive law, we take the term outside, multiply by the first term. So 11 times 99, that's 1,089, plus 11 times by 1. So 11 times by 1 is 11. Add those together and we come up with the same answer of 1,100. Okay, so that's how it works if we're just using number examples. When we turn to algebra though, there's nothing we can do inside the brackets here. We can't add x plus 2. So we've got to use the distributive law to get rid of our brackets. So we take the term outside, which is 3, and multiply the first term inside, which is x. So 3 times x is 3x. We then take the next one, so we're going 3 times by positive 2. So 3 times by 2 is 6. So we can see we've expanded the brackets here. Let's go and have a look at the next one. So we've got 4 times by x equals 4x. And I'm going to put the plus straight in there because we can see that it's plus. And then 4 times by 3 is 12. Okay, so that's how we expand the brackets. Now, if we've got another example here where we've actually got a pronumeral on the outside, so let's, for example, say we've got x outside of 2x plus 4. We're going to use the exact same method. So we take the term outside, which is x, and multiply it by the term inside. So we've got x times by 2x. Now normally you wouldn't write this step, but just so we can see what's going on, and we should know that that's going to be 2x squared. So let's get rid of that and simplify it to be 2x squared. And then plus, because we've got the plus inside the brackets here, and we're going to go x by 4. So 4 times by x. So again, we'll write that out, 4 times by x. We'll see that that's going to be 4x.